Jacqueline's beef jerky presents Messing with Sasquatch. Jacqueline's jerky. Feed you wild side.
This controller sucks.
It's the controller's fault, right?
What's going on, nerds? No golf? No football? It's Sunday, man. You guys are blowing it.
The game's over.
What about all the other games?
That's the only game we get with cable.
It's on. Don't you know only DirecTV gets you every game every Sunday? So we all in this now. Except for whoever made this deal. Let's play that nasty.
Now NFL Sunday Ticket is included at no extra charge. Call 1-800-DIRECTV.
She's going after us.
I was 9 when my parents were killed. I will not stop until you feel what I felt all these years.
You've been waiting for this moment for a very long time.
And now I'm going to finish it.
PG-13.
We're in the mood for amazing seafood tonight.
Pan-seared just for us. For around $10.
Only Golden Corral has pan-seared seafood. And our chefs cooking your dish right before your eyes. Still for around $10. Only at Golden Corral. Saturday, after climbing the ranks in the UFC, Alexander Gustafsson faces his toughest opponent yet, Matt Hammer. Plus, Chad Mendez, Ronnie Yaga, and a featherweight war you don't want to miss. UFC 133 prelims live for free Saturday at 8 on Spike.
The U.S. Army Rangers, battle-tested soldiers on constant alert, specializing in quick strikes behind enemy lines. Versus the North Korean Special Operations Forces, SOF, rabid assassins who gave the world a chilling glimpse of their fatal fanaticism during a 1996 covert mission into South Korea.
Things went wrong. 11 of these North Korean commandos knew that they were the weakest link, and they voluntarily submitted to execution by their own comrades. These are people who value the fatherland more than they do their own life.
Based on real-world tactical profiles, we've tested each warrior's sniper weapons and assault rifles in seizing a high-value target. In Phase 3 of our scenario, they will fend off counterattacks with anti-personnel mines. North Korea's SOF riddles the battlefield with an explosive device designed to massacre a Maine. The Box landmine, a high-powered killer carried by the thousands throughout the Korean peninsula.
It's a wooden box inside with TNT, approximately 7 ounces. It's spring-loaded. So what they'll do is they'll bury it, anything in the area with basically 2 pounds of pressure. It's going to set the thing off.
North Korea's used this to defend off small-scale attacks. They also have this planted along the DMZ. They do not care.